is in the MITRE ATT&CK Matrix? The MITRE ATT&CK framework provides a comprehensive view of adversary behaviors and tactics across various platforms and environments. Tactics categorized in the ATT&CK Matrix for enterprise cover a wide range of objectives and are organized linearly as stages an adversary might follow. How are the adversary tactics categorized within the broader version of the MITRE ATT&CK for enterprise? 1. Reconnaissance, gathering information to plan future adversary operations, i.e., information about the target organization. 2. Resource development, establishing resources to support operations, i.e., setting up command and control infrastructure. 3. Initial access, trying to get into your network, i.e., spear phishing. 4. Execution, trying to run malicious code, i.e., running a remote access tool. 5. Persistence, trying to maintain their foothold, i.e., changing configurations. 6. Privilege escalation, trying to gain high-level permissions, i.e., leveraging a vulnerability to elevate access. 7. Defense evasion, trying to avoid being detected, i.e., using trusted processes to hide malware. 8. Credential access, stealing accounts' names and passwords, i.e., keylogging. 9. Discovery, trying to figure out your environment, i.e., exploring what they can control. 10. Lateral movement, moving through your environment, i.e., using legitimate credentials to pivot through multiple systems. 11. Collection, gathering data of interest to the adversary goal, i.e., accessing data in cloud storage. 12. Command and control, communicating with compromised systems to control them, i.e., mimicking normal web traffic to communicate with a victim network. 13. Exfiltration, stealing data, i.e., transfer data to cloud account. 14. Impact, manipulate, interrupt, or destroy systems and data, i.e., encrypting data with ransomware.